Hey queens, it's DONYEA Nicole here, back at y'all with another video. How you doing today? I hope everyone's doing well in this quarantine. Today I'm just coming to you to do a video that I saw on YouTube. So my hair, first of all, I don't know how to do my hair. So today I'm doing my hair. My hair is extremely dry and brittle. It's been breaking off and I need to do something about it. So I am going to wash my own hair, but I looked up on YouTube. I searched on YouTube some tips for dry brittle hair, and I'm going to do the mayonnaise mask. So stick with me and watch what I do. I guess I'm not a pro. This is my very first time. So take the journey with me. All right, my queens, let's get this journey started. All right, we're gonna drop an egg in here. Make sure you take out that sperm because you don't want to get it caught in your head. We're gonna add some mayonnaise, about 3 scoops. I have a small peanut head, so I don't really need to use that much, but Now we're gonna add some olive oil. 2 spoons is good. Yep. And now 1 spoon of honey. Honey for my honey. All right, we're gonna mix that all up. Make sure it all combines and, gets all nice and together and stuff. You know what I'm saying, girls? We have to make sure it's mixed because, we're not trying to have, just the stuff in our hair, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I think it's just about done. That looks good. This is my first time, so I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna throw this towel around our necks because it's about to get pretty messy. You know what I'm saying? Pretty messy. All right, we're gonna spritz our hair a little bit because that's what all the videos be telling me to do. So we're just gonna spritz. Get it, wet before we apply our comb and try to part our hair. Don't want to damage it. All right, I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections just to make it a little easier to add our mayonnaise mask. We're gonna clip it up. I don't have that much hair, but it still has to be out the way. So we're gonna take a little section in the back and we're gonna get this party started. So comb it through, how they always say, make sure the tangles are out and stuff, Look at me. I think I'm a pro. I'm really not. So now we're just gonna add our mayonnaise mask into our hair all throughout. We're gonna make sure we're getting the roots, the ends, the middle, everything. And let's not forget, our edges, because, this girl over here, my edges are looking kind of scarce. I'm just gonna twist it up. We'll twist it down just so that it stays and it's not dripping everywhere and it's just easier to manage. And we're just gonna apply that all over both sections of our head, and then I'll get back to you. So I'm just about done here, finishing up on the last one. You know, that took a lot out of me. This stinks and it's all over my hands, but it's okay. We're gonna, you know, put these twists up and we're gonna throw this nice little, you know, cute shower cap on, you know, improvising. And yeah, we're going to, after that, throw a towel on it because the YouTube video I watched said so. And this is gonna be in replacement of a hairdryer. Queens, while you wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. 45 minutes, and then we will wash it out, deep condition, wash it out, and we're good to go. So it's been 45 minutes. We're going to take this bad boy down. Yes, it does still stink. This mayonnaise stinks. We're going to take down our twist and prep our hair for our wash time. And I'm also going to do a deep conditioning treatment using my Shea Moisture set. We all know how to wash our hair, so I'm not going to do that on camera, and I will come back once I am done. Please excuse the towel. This is black hair dye, courtesy of Nikki. Did her hair one time, and I used this towel, I guess. This is what it looks like. I didn't do anything but wash it after, and voila! My hair feels a little bit stronger. Mayonnaise in my hair, what can I say? So while I was, you know, letting my hair soak for 45 minutes, wash it all out, I decided I am going to take the challenge and start my hair journey diary. So look at the playlist to check out my hair journey, and let's see how it turns out. Bye, queen.